What happened to your car seat? What? What? Hey, sit back. This is it. Sit back. Bear with me here, Donna. We had to move some stuff around. There we go.
Are you facing forward? What's going on around here?
What is happening? Look at your little feet dangling.
Here. Can you hold it? It's
Yeah.
still on.
Oh, I forgot my keys. Did you get them?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's mine.
Connor, what are you doing? You don't like it?
Mama.
She's coming. She's right here.
No.
What's going on?
Whoa. Whoa.
Woo!
Here we go.
Do you like this, Connor?
Look at all this. Look, you can see the road now. Whoa. I need to put that headrest down now that he's sitting differently in it. What do you think? I thought you would have enjoyed this more. I'm not gonna lie.
Connor, can you say hi yet?
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Do you like this? I like being able to see you.
What?
Should I turn off?
Yeah.
Okay.